Hello. So here we'll do example of two molecules that are amines. Right, so amines, we have a nitrogen with the lone pair that can pick up the H+. My question to you is, suppose we have NFHH, right? And the other molecule, let's use a methylamine. Which of these molecules is more basic? A or B? Now, to compare the basicity, we always look at the conjugate acid. So after picking up this H+, this becomes H and F, dative bond from the nitrogen to the hydrogen here, H. And right now, the nitrogen here grabs a positive charge. The next case, for molecule B, you will have CH3 connected to nitrogen with the hydrogen and dative bond towards the incoming H. Okay. And now, this nitrogen carries a positive charge. So remember, the more stable the conjugate acid here, the more likely it is going to pick up this H+ and stay there. That means it's acting as a good base. So now, these two cases, which is more stable? We need to look at how positive the nitrogen is. And as you know, nitrogen doesn't like to take positive charge, but it could. But we try not to have so much of a positive on the nitrogen. So for the first case, we have this fluorine. Fluorine is highly electronegative. In fact, it is the most electronegative element in the whole periodic table. It will just pull electron density away to itself. So since this fluorine is connected directly to the nitrogen, it will just keep on pulling electron towards itself and making this nitrogen very positive charge. So intensify the positive charge on the nitrogen. Whereas for molecule B, in the second case here, the methyl group is electron releasing. It donates electron. So it will give a bit more electrons towards this nitrogen here, so that this nitrogen, the plus charge is suppressed. It's not so much compared to this guy. So now we know that this is more unstable, and this is more stable as a result, relatively to each other. So that means the equilibrium prefer to stay here, and for this side, it prefer to stay there. So that means B must be the stronger base.